Welcome to Judy's Bayou Boston's. These are our 6 little babies from Abby and Big Beau. And today is October the 7th, and it's Tuesday. And as you can see, who's doing that? They're getting big. Right here we have Flavius. He's a little girl. See her little face. Hey, honey. She has a little dot on the top of her head, and she's our biggest baby. And she has the blaze all the way down her face and connecting to her full collar, and a little Haggerty dot right on top of her head. And as you can see, they just nurse her. They want to get in a little ball. She's so sweet. Let's see her little face. Here, honey. Here, honey. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's Mommy. There's Mama. He's in the camera, too. Oh. Right here, we have Dominus. He's a little boy. And he's already going to live in New Orleans with Samantha and Jared. And he's a pretty little boy too. He's a full collar and a blaze down his front of his face. And I love his markings in back. Kind of swirls. I love that. And oh, he's so precious. Yes, he is. See, I'll get a close-up of Dominus. There he is. There's Dominus. Wait this side. He's a pretty little boy. Yes, he is. He's precious. Okay. What are you saying, Dominus? Oh, making little noises. Very vocal. You go over by Mommy. Mommy's diapering somebody. She's looking them clean. And over here, we have Holden. She's fussy because I took her away from her little puppy pile. She's trying to get underneath. Let's see. You see, I'm looking for a nanny. Looking for a nanny. That's not a nanny. It's Judy's thumb. That's not a nanny. Not a nanny, darling. He's a precious little girl. This is Isabel's favorite. And my daughter, who's 12. Oh, you're a fussy girl. You're your fussy little baby. Oh, she's not going to give up. I thought you just ate. Holden? You want to eat again? Do you want to eat again? Yeah? Okay, we'll put you with Mommy. Over here by Mommy. Mommy's going to check you out too. Make sure that... Okay. Let's see. Who do we have right here? Gently we take the baby. It's Thaddeus. You see little Thaddeus' face? See your little face. I'm sorry. So fussy. I will get up. Everybody wants to see you. Yeah. Oh, okay. You go back, Thaddeus. Look. Let you go back. Here. She's going to check him out, too. And who's this? Who's nursing? Let's see. Who's nursing? Oh, that's Holden. She's nursing. Okay. And here... we have Flavius. Oh, see Flavius' little face. Hey, Flavius. Hey, Flavius. Misty and Dan are adopting Flavius. He knows Mommy's clothes. They have a very keen sense of smell, and the sense of heat and cold, and also of pain, and obviously of being content as well. And so they can smell Mommy's real close. They want to go right by Mommy. Okay. Go by Mommy. Okay. All right. And who are we missing? I know who we didn't get a shot of. The littlest little boy. The smallest little boy. Pompey. Hey, Pompey. Hi, Pompey. What you doing? I smell Mom's. I want Mom's. They all want their mommy. She's a good mama, too. She stays real close to her babies. This baby is going to be adopted by a young lady by the name of Kathy. Yeah. The big yawn, darling. Yes, it's a big yawn, darling. Yeah. He just wheeled himself over. You little tough customer. You get in there. You get in there, boy. And right behind her, we have this baby, Flavius. And then Dominus. They like being warm. And we have the little girl that is still available. Look, Bolin got rolled over. Oh, he got rolled, rather. Not rolled, is Flavius. She is still available to a loving home. And she has the cutest little face. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. She has beautiful markings, too. It's a very strong and pretty puppy. Yeah. That's your baby girl. Is that your baby girl? Yeah. It's your baby girl. Yeah. Oh, and Abby is such a good mommy. She's a good mommy. She is. Scratch under the chin. Yes. She's eating really well. She's getting wonderful supplements like omega-3s and 6 and the flaxseed oil and vitamin E and very good vitamins and just very good food. Yes, she is. Oh, what a good mom. And those are our puppies. Just over a week old. They're doing great. As you can see, they are not shy about nursing. They latch on and they go to town. And the way you can know that a puppy is doing really good, aside from weighing them, is you look at their tummy and you can tell how they're doing. And what you want to do is you want to have puppies that have very nice little fat tummies, like this little tummy on Pompey. He took a big yawn. Look at his little legs. You see that little tummy? Nice and fat. That's what you want. So, I hope you enjoyed our little video. And if you're interested in Flavius, she's seal and white as well as Bolin. If you're interested in Flavius, just give me a call at 985-607-5837, and you can check out my videos also not only on YouTube and subscribe, but also on the World Wide Web at www.BayouBostons.com. So that's what's going on over here. So I hope to hear from you all soon. Take care and have a wonderful evening. Oh, Abby's going to sleep. She's so relaxed. Bye.